In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kucoin to Binance step by step. First, log into your Binance account on the app or website. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, choose the coin you want to receive, for example USDT or BTC. Then select the network you want to use, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Binance will show you a deposit address, and for some coins, also a tag or memo. Tap Copy to copy the address and note the tag if there is one. Now open the Kucoin app or site and log in. Go to Assets, then Withdraw, choose the same coin, and select Crypto Withdrawal. Paste the Binance deposit address, pick the same network you selected on Binance, and if the coin needs a tag or memo, enter it exactly as shown. Enter the amount you want to send, review the fees, address, and network, then confirm and complete any 2FA codes. Your crypto will arrive in Binance after the transaction is confirmed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.